Welcome to Grasshopper Labs. In this video, we're going to be creating a weight pricing set under a shipper account. What we want to do is go to our settings cog, select our shippers tab. Once we're inside of the shipper dashboard, we want to isolate the account we want to enter the pricing under. And then here we're going to click into our pricing tab. First thing we should do is make sure that our pricing set type is selected. So here I'm going to select weight and then your payment terms. I'm going to select terms. Then we're going to select this plus sign to begin adding our pricing sets. First thing we want to do is give our pricing set a name. Below we'll determine if there's a minimum, and then we can begin to enter in our rates. You can also add tiers should you need to expand and the rates change. You can also adjust minimums if they change as well. Below you can select if you're adding a distance surcharge that will be applied per mile. And then what we want to do is select the service levels that this will apply to. You can select multiple service levels should you need. Also, if you would like to apply the fuel surcharge, and if you want the value to be rounded. Next, we're going to select our pickup settings. And inside of here, we need to determine if the items are being sent directly to our building. If so, we can select FOB. If not, we can select the state coverage in which the freight will be sourced from. Then we can select our delivery settings, and in here we want to grab the building that these sets will apply to and enter in if there is a distance limit, which will be your mileage band. Then we can hit save, and then we can see that we have created pricing under weight under the shipper account.